It's time to play Name That Sound! All right, contestants, name that sound.
That's a rake. I could sell a rake to a man with rake hands.
David, our resident champion from Garff.
That is a three-toed sloth adjusting its grip on a tree in Panama.
Wow, I was just looking for Sloth. And that's why you need a Garff dealership. If they listen this well, imagine how well they'll hear you.